Rev up your engine and get ready to gear up. We're about to take you on a wild ride through the world of car accessories. Amazon's got the latest and greatest gadgets to turn your ordinary ride into an extraordinary experience.
Forget flimsy steering wheel locks that can be snapped like a twig. This one's built for battle. Imagine this, a rock-solid aluminum alloy and steel beast that laughs in the face of saws, hammers, even Freon attacks. It's like a 5-in-1 shield for your car. Anti-cutting, anti-knocking, anti-corrosion, anti-cracking, and cry-proof. But wait, there's more. This multi-talented marvel isn't just about defense. Stuck in a dangerous situation? Use the same lock to shatter a window and escape in a flash. Talk about one tool for two jobs, a double lock cylinder for extra strength, and a clever design that uses adhesive tape to protect your steering wheel from scratches. Plus, the brake hook is a sneaky mix of stylish plastic rubber on the outside and tough steel on the inside, perfect for fighting off saws while looking good. The best part? This telescopic bad boy adjusts to fit most cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs. Whether your brake pedal is 22.8 or 33.5 inches from the steering wheel, this lock's got you covered. In seconds, you can secure both the steering wheel and clutch with the handy key, leaving thieves fuming. Each lock comes with everything you need: the unit itself, 3 keys, and those handy adhesive tapes. And if you have any questions, the Tevlify team on Amazon is there to answer them lightning fast. So what are you waiting for? Secure your car the smart way. Order your lock today. The 4-channel dashcam is a game changer, capturing stunning 1080p video from all angles simultaneously. With its adjustable front lenses, you can fine-tune your view to capture every detail, leaving no blind spots. Plus, you can even monitor your car's interior with a dedicated lens. To save space and power, the dashcam's time-lapse function condenses 60 minutes of footage into just 1 minute while parked. And with the optional ACC hardwire kit, you can keep your car battery safe, even during long periods of inactivity. Built-in GPS technology tracks your location, speed, and route in real time, providing crucial evidence in case of accidents or incidents. You can even visualize your journey and pinpoint exact locations with the GPS video player. Sharing your videos is a breeze with our free mobile app. Instantly transfer and share your footage on your smartphone, regardless of whether you're an iOS or Android user. The cabin lens, equipped with a wide f1.8 aperture and infrared lights, ensures crystal clear night vision, giving you peace of mind around the clock. To keep your memory card free, the dashcam overwrites the oldest footage when full. However, in case of an accident, important footage is automatically locked and protected. Installation is a snap, thanks to our easy-to-follow user manual. And don't worry about batteries. The dashcam is designed to be hardwired for reliable and long-lasting performance. The N4 Pro is a cutting-edge dashcam that captures stunning 4K video, day or night. Its advanced Sony Starvis 2 IMX6 sensor ensures crystal-clear images, even in low-light conditions. With PlayPix technology, you can easily read license plates, making it a valuable tool for drivers and Uber drivers alike. The N4 Pro offers versatile recording options, including a 360-degree rotating rear camera for complete coverage. The cabin camera, equipped with IR LEDs, provides clear interior footage, even in the dark. The upgraded motion detection feature helps save storage space by focusing on important events. For added convenience, the N4 Pro supports voice commands, allowing you to control the device hands-free. The optional CPL filter further enhances video quality in bright conditions. With its durable design, built-in G-sensor, and dual capacitors, the N4 Pro is built to last. It's easy to install and supports up to a 512GB memory card. Vantru's dedicated support team is always ready to assist you with any questions or technical issues. You're cruising down the highway and suddenly a car darts into your blind spot. No worries, your car's advanced safety features like blind spot detection have got your back. It's like having a watchful eye on the road, alerting you to potential dangers before they happen. And that's not all. With a high-resolution 4K UHD front camera and WDR technology, your car's built-in dash cam captures crystal-clear footage, day or night. It's like having a personal witness to every drive. Need to review a specific moment? Just use the voice control feature to command the dash cam to start, stop, or even take a snapshot. Worried about accidents? No problem. The G-sensor automatically locks crucial footage in case of a collision, providing essential evidence. Plus, loop recording ensures continuous recording without running out of storage. And with GPS tracking, you can retrace your routes and pinpoint accident locations with precision. By combining these cutting-edge technologies, your car becomes more than just a mode of transportation. It's a reliable safety companion, always ready to protect you and your loved ones. Tired of tangled cords cluttering your space? The Joyroom Cable Organizer is the perfect solution. Its compact design, measuring just 0.3 inches in diameter, can easily accommodate a variety of cables, from delicate phone chargers to bulky power cords. The clever magnetic design lets you effortlessly attach and detach cables with one hand, saving you time and frustration. The strong adhesive pad securely sticks to almost any surface, including wood, glass, and ceramic tiles. Don't worry about leaving a sticky residue, as the removable pad is designed to peel off cleanly. Plus, a replacement pad is included for long-lasting use. With a 6-pack set, you can organize multiple cables and keep them neatly in place. The slim profile ensures it won't take up much space, making it ideal for tight corners and small desks. Ready to upgrade your ride? This sleek double-din car stereo is your ticket to a smarter, safer driving experience. Just connect your iPhone or Android phone and you're good to go. Access your favorite apps, maps, and music right from the 7-inch HD IPS touchscreen. Voice control lets you keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road while making calls, navigating, or playing tunes. Need a helping hand when backing up? The built-in HD backup camera provides a clear view of what's behind you. The camera's wire connects directly to your reverse light, making installation a breeze. Lost in the city? No problem. The GPS navigation system with 1080p resolution delivers sharp, detailed maps. MirrorLink lets you mirror your smartphone screen onto the car stereo so you can enjoy videos, maps, and more. Installation is a cinch. Simply plug it into your car's cigarette lighter socket and secure it to your dashboard or windshield with the included adhesive bracket. No need to mess with your car's original radio. This portable car stereo is compatible with most vehicles, from sedans to SUVs to trucks. Forget flimsy steering wheel locks that can... Tired of squinting through the blinding sun? Our sun visor extender is like sunglasses for your car. It blocks harmful glare, reducing eye strain and fatigue. With its patented polarized lens, you'll enjoy a clear, comfortable view, even on the brightest days. Installation is a breeze. Simply clip it onto your existing visor in seconds. The flexible design allows for a 180-degree angle adjustment, ensuring the perfect fit every time. Plus, the premium, heat-resistant material guarantees durability and long-lasting performance. Say goodbye to annoying light leaks. Our extender features a built-in light-blocking barrier, keeping your eyes shielded from distracting sunlight. Whether you're driving in summer, winter, or foggy conditions, this visor will enhance your visibility and keep you safe on the road. What's included? A polarized sun visor, a test card to verify polarization, a cleaning cloth, and a 1-year warranty. If you have any questions or concerns, our dedicated support team is here to help. Ever get tired of cleaning mud and snow out of your car? These rubber floor mats are the perfect solution. Designed to fit most vehicles, their flexible material molds to your car's unique shape, offering a semi-custom fit. Want a more precise fit? No problem. FH Group's trimmable design lets you tailor the mats to your exact specifications. And don't worry about the weather. These climate-proof mats are tough enough to handle anything from a light drizzle to a blizzard. Made from top-grade rubber, they're built to last, protecting your car's interior without cracking or deforming. Plus, the soft carpeting surface not only traps dirt and grime, but also adds a touch of comfort to your ride. With these mats, you can say goodbye to messy floors and hello to a clean, cozy car. Forget those clunky gas station air pumps. The Cyc Plus air pump is your pocket-sized hero, weighing in at a featherlight 380 grams. This cordless wonder throws away the cord, letting you take it anywhere. Need to pump up your car tires? No problem. It tackles a standard 195/65 R15 car tire in just 3 minutes, inflating it from 22 psi to a safe 36 psi. But that's not all. Cyc Plus caters to your two-wheeled adventures too. Stuck with a flat road bike tire? This pump inflates a 700C by 25C tire from dead flat to a perfect 120 psi in a speedy 90 seconds. No more worries about overinflation either. This pump features a handy auto shutoff, so you can set your desired pressure and relax. Plus, the built-in pressure gauge lets you keep an eye on things. And if you get caught out after dark, fear not. The Cyc Plus air pump has a built-in LED light that doubles as an emergency power source. It even boasts a USB-C input port and a USB-A output port, so you can use it as a power bank to recharge your phone on the go. So ditch the bulky pumps and embrace the convenience of the Cyc Plus air pump. It's the perfect companion for drivers, cyclists, and anyone who loves adventures on the road. The Time8 TM7 TPMS is a game changer for tire health monitoring. This nifty device keeps tabs on your tire pressure and temperature, accurate within a tight margin of Plice 1.5 psi or Plice 3 degrees Fahrenheit. With 6 smart alarm modes: high-low pressure, rapid leakage, high temperature, low battery, and signal loss, you'll be alerted to potential issues before they escalate. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts and pre-owned vehicle owners, the TM7 is a simple plug-and-play solution. Just pop it into your car's cigarette lighter socket. No complicated wiring or professional installation required. This makes it ideal for older vehicles without factory-installed TPMS, offering a quick and affordable safety upgrade. But that's not all. The TM7 is a multitasker. It comes equipped with dual USB ports, so you can keep your phone or tablet charged on the go. This is a lifesaver for commercial drivers and budget-conscious motorists who want added functionality without cluttering up their vehicle. The vibrant color LCD screen with adjustable backlight ensures crystal-clear visibility in any lighting condition. Whether you're commuting daily or embarking on a road trip, the TM7's display keeps you informed. With a wide pressure detection range of 0 to 87 psi, the TM7 caters to a variety of vehicles, from sedans to SUVs, RVs, and trailers. Its 433.92 MHz frequency offers a reliable transmission range, ensuring consistent communication between sensors and the display unit. For longer trailers, we recommend using the Time8 RP05 repeater for optimal performance. Setting up the TM7 is a breeze. It's a simple 5-minute process, and the user manual and online video guides walk you through every step. If you have any questions, our support team is always ready to assist. Imagine transforming your ride into a dazzling spectacle. Our Underglow LED lights, soft and flexible, can be twisted and turned to any shape you desire. Fear not rain or shine, as they're completely waterproof. Packed with 250 high-quality SMD 5050 LED chips, they illuminate your car's undercarriage with a brilliant, even glow. Control the show with our wireless app. Choose from a mind-boggling 16 million colors. Turn the lights on or off, adjust brightness, and even control the speed of the light show. With 29 preset modes, including jumping, breathing, flashing, and gradual color changes, or create your own custom combinations. And the best part? The lights sync to the beat of your favorite tunes, turning every drive into a rhythmic light show. Installation is a breeze. The flexible tubing bends around corners effortlessly, while the strong 3M adhesive, zip ties, clips, and screws keep the lights firmly in place. No more worries about loose or dangling lights. Compatible with all 12-volt vehicles, including cars, trucks, and boats, these exterior LED lights emit a super bright and intense glow, making your car the envy of the road.